up with an interesting craft today. Today we are going to make a lovely flying bird. This flying bird is so easy to make. Let's start. Materials needed. We need 2 construction paper of your choice. We need scissors. We need googly eyes. We need a circular object. We need a pen or pencil. We need a paintbrush. We need a ruler. We also need glue. Let's start making our flying bird. Let's take a ruler and pen or pencil. Take any color of paper of your choice and fold it in a triangular like this. Make sure to fold it evenly like this. After you're done, we still have this extra crease in the bottom. Let's fold it up like this. After we have folded our construction paper like this and this, now let's take our pen or pencil and a ruler to trace the lines we have just folded. Put our ruler on the line and then trace it. Do the same with the bottom fold. After you have done it, let's cut these 3 pieces out. After cutting the 3 pieces like this, let's take one of the triangular pieces and fold it in a half. Like this. You should have one line right in the middle. And do the same to the other side. After you have folded both of the sides like this, now we put it aside and take our other triangular pieces and take our circular piece and trace it with our pencil or pen. Trace the outside carefully. You need 2 of the circles. I have traced 2 circles. Now let's cut them out. After cutting the 2 circular pieces, let's put them aside again and take the rectangular piece and fold it in a half. You should have a line right in the middle. And take one side and put it in the middle side. Fold it like this. Like this. Do the same to the other side. of the lines, which is this one. Let's cut it. I have cut it 2 halves like this. Let's take 1 half and put it aside, and let's work with the other half. Let's cut it to 2 strips. I have cut it 2 strips. Let's take them, put it aside, and let's work with the other half. As you know, we have folded them. Let's take our triangular piece from earlier and put this strip on inside of the triangular piece. See how it's opened? Close it and see the folded side and put this strip on right there. And if you have too much of an extra piece, cut them out. After you have put them together, let's glue them together. Take our paintbrush, take our glue, and paint only one side of the triangular piece. There's the bottom, which is folded. After you have done it, let's take the triangular piece which we have glued in the bottom and take the folded piece and put them together like this. Make sure to stick it good. Okay, then we have this. Let's glue this side. After you have done it, glue this side. Let's fold the piece together like this. You have to have a structure like this. Okay, let's put this aside and take our circular pieces and stick them right there. I have stuck one part of the head in this side. Let's put it aside and take our brown paper. You can use an orange paper or yellow paper for the beak as well. Let's take the corner of the paper. Just cut a little bit right there. Make it a little smaller so it will fit the head. After we have cut a triangle, let's take our glue, take our paintbrush, take a little bit of glue, and put it in this side, only one side of the beak. Just 1/2. Right there. After you have glued one side, let's take our bird and turn it over and put our beak right there. So if you turn it over, you can see the beak. Let's take more glue and fill the whole thing. Fill the whole thing. After you have glued the whole thing with glue, take the other half of the head and stick it right on top. Make sure to match the other side of the head. After you have sticked both of the sides of the head onto the bird's body, let's take our sticks from earlier and and stick them right here. Take our glue and stick just the top, like right there. After you have stick only the top part, take your bird and take one wing and take the glued part right on the top, right there. Do the same with the other side. After we have sticked both of the strips in this side and on this side, let's put this aside and take the glue and stick only the bottom part of both of the strips. Stick them together like this. And now the wings are flapping. Next, let's take our both googly eyes from earlier and take the glue. Stick only one side of the bird's head. Take your googly eyes, take only one. Do the same with the other side. Take the glue, take the googly eyes, stick them on. We have ended up with this, but next step, let's take our scissors and cut right here. After you have cut all the sides and the tail, like this, take your pen or pencil and roll up the strips that we have cut it right now. Just roll it up. So it looks like, so you can see it showing its feathers. Or you can just fold it like this, slow and steady, just like that, like that. Do the same to the other side, like that. I have made a green bird and a yellow bird. You can make them in different colors like blue or orange. I hope you like my flapping birds. See you, thank you, bye. You can make your bird like this and enjoy it. My birds are flying now, la la.